Welcome back. Today we unravel the true essence of Law 11 from the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene. Learn to keep people dependent on you. This law isn't about domination. It's about invisible control. The kind of control that doesn't require orders or threats, only necessity. Because when they need you, they won't betray you, they won't ignore you, they won't even risk losing you. Here's the core idea. Power is a byproduct of dependence, and the most dangerous place to be is replaceable. You must position yourself as the one who holds the key to access, to results, to peace of mind. And once they realize they can't move without you, you've already won. Robert Greene puts it simply, to maintain your independence, you must always be needed and wanted. And in that one sentence is the blueprint for silent influence. Let's break it down with 4 elite strategies to master Law 11. 1. Become a rare solution. Don't be the person who can do everything. Be the one who can do what no one else can. The rarer your skill, the stronger your position. Power doesn't chase, it draws people in by being essential. 2. Give just enough, never everything. Reveal value in pieces. Keep some part of your process, your mind, your magic, undisclosed. Your full formula should never be fully visible. The unknown is part of your leverage. 3. Build emotional gravity. People don't just depend on logic, they depend on comfort, security, confidence. Be the person who calms storms, solves confusion, brings direction. That emotional consistency becomes addictive. They won't just want you, they'll feel lost without you. 4. Train them to turn to you. Subtly insert yourself into critical decisions. Let them experience what happens when you're absent. Make them realize, when you're not around, things fall apart. But be warned, this law walks a fine line. If they feel too controlled, they rebel. If they feel too independent, they detach. The goal is balance. You're not the jailer, you're the foundation. Your presence should feel like stability, not surveillance. Let them feel free. But never forget, freedom is an illusion when need is present. Let's get deeper. Think of history. The most powerful kings weren't the ones who ruled with violence. They ruled with alliances, with marriages, with secrets. They made others need them to survive. Think of business. Apple didn't dominate by force. It made you dependent on its ecosystem, its simplicity, its sleek design, its sync across devices. That's Law 11 in action.